Hey guys, today I would like to start a series of screencasts on Zeitgeist development. In the first few episodes I would like to show you how I do memory profiling on the daemon. In this first episode I would like to develop a memory profiling extension. Extensions are a simple way to extend the internal and external capabilities of the Zeitgeist daemon. And my idea with this special extension is to add a new method to the debus API of Zeitgeist, which is called makeSnapshot, which makes a snapshot of the memory of Zeitgeist using the meliae framework, dumps it to a file, and allow later analysis of the memory state at a certain point. Let's get started. As we want to expose our extensions method over debus, we need to import some debus modules first. Then we need to import the scanner from meliae and some bits of the internal Zeitgeist API. Most important one is this extension class, which is the base class for all extensions. And we need the constants module, which knows about the debus interface identifier of Zeitgeist itself, so we can use the same interface here. Each extension gets an engine object in the constructor, so you have full access to the complete engine in an extension. Then we initialize extension and the debus object. We are exposing our method on the session bus, and we use certain paths which is just following the debus naming convention for passes. That's it for the constructor, and now we can just expose the method itself. As I said before, we are exposing it on the Zeitgeist interface. It takes no argument and returns a string, which is, as you will see later on, the file name where the memory gets dumped. The method of the meliae scanner we are using here is dump all objects, which dumps the memory of all objects to a file. We need a unique file name, so we are just using the temp file make temp method here. We know it's a JSON file, so we're using the JSON suffix here. And last but not least, we are returning the file name. Now let's start with a simple setup file. Setup the py file. We are using these details here to do the right thing. The mem profiler itself is handled as a data file. We're using a random name here. Version. And as I said before, the data file, all extensions needs to be installed to a certain path, share Zeitgeist extensions. But you can also use a local prefix, as I will show you right now. Let's install it. And we are using the local prefix here. Now let's start the daemon. You can see the memory profiler was found and loaded. So everything is looking okay. And now we just send a dbus call to the make snapshot method on the memory profiler and get back the file name of the file where this was dumped to. And in the next episode I will show you how to actually make use of this data and profile the memory consumption of Zeitgeist. Stay tuned.